Here's how you can add widgets on lock screen iOS 18. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add widgets on your lock screen. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. Here, you basically need an app to all these customizations of widgets. There are basically two types of widgets. First are those normal widgets where you can directly get from your phone and you can add them, and the second ones are like getting through an app, and they're very unique, so you can directly get them by going to your app store first of all. And once you're inside app store, just basically search a widgetsmith, and yeah, here you go. You just gotta basically download it. I already have it, so you just need to open it up, and you'll see many different kinds of like widgets. And here, as you can see, it has lock screen widgets like just like that, and everything. You can do like customizations with it, pretty much everything, like like you can add date, months, and everything just like that. And once you do so, you can just save and then make however you like to have, and you can directly add these widgets too on your lock screen. Just tap and add the widget. Just I'll show you in a second. And yeah, so you just basically need to get this to do this. So let's just head to our lock screen and I'll show you how you can do all the customizations of widgets. So yeah, I'll be right back. So yeah, here we are on our lock screen, and here what you need to do is just basically tap and hold your lock screen just like this. And once you do this, it will bring this whole customizable thing. So you just got to go ahead and press customize and then lock screen. And now here you can do pretty much all of your customizations, and here, as you can see, it says add widgets. So if I go ahead and press on add widgets, it will show me all the widget options that I could add. And here I downloaded also other app called color widgets, and I'll be able to find color widgets real quick. And here, as you can see, it says widgetsmith, and you can pretty much add rectangular widgets and do customizations with this and this. And you can add normal, just like these ones too, and then you can do pretty much any types of widget customizations you'd like to, and you can pretty much add stuff. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.